Air pollution from international shipping accounts for approximately 160,000 premature deaths per year worldwide. Since January 2015, the strategy has been to decrease SOx emissions by 90% in seeker areas. And after just 8 months, there was up to 60% less SOx in the air in Denmark. And now, there's a solution for further reductions. PureteQ has developed, patented and manufactured a unique, inline, open-tower scrubber system for the purification of flue gas. With its hydrodynamic fluid distribution system, the PureteQ Maritime Turbo Scrubber outperforms traditional scrubber systems in terms of weight, efficiency, low footprint and built-in options. Continuance of using residual fuel leads to appealing savings on fuel costs, and return on investment is mostly only 1 to 2 years. This means that you can reduce operational costs by 30 to 40%. And you save the environment and ultimately lives. First and foremost, PureteQ's employees are some of the best educated and most experienced in the industry. And at the same time, they're not afraid to explore new avenues. The task was clear: develop the simplest, most effective and most easily installable scrubber solution. PureteQ knows the industry. And like many other companies in Denmark, we're agile specialists in delivering high-tech solutions. We know that flexibility, transparency and due diligence form the foundation for good customer relations. Scrubber technology is well proven, but we've improved it even further. The PureteQ Maritime Turbo Scrubber is light, compact and doesn't affect the payload. It can be retrofitted and installed on new ships with open or hybrid loops. We're involved in everything, from design to finished sea trial. PureteQ, the simple solution to a global challenge.